Good morning, everyone. Our today's topic is automatically operated star delta starter. We already did manually operated star delta starter. So this video is about automatic operation of star delta starter. So this is a schematic diagram. As we have seen in manually operated star delta starter, with the help of a handle, we have to change the connections from star to the delta after some time. But in case of this automatically star delta starter, we will employ TDR, that is time delay relay, to give some delay so that the contacts are automatically shifted to the from star to the delta connections. So here A is for star connection and contactor B are the main connections, to just connect the motor to the supply, and C is for delta connection. So A is for star, B is the main connection, and C is for your delta connection. So as we have already discussed in manually operated star delta starters, that star connection is the connection where all the similar ends, means all the similar ends like A2, B2 and C2 are connected together, then it will form star connection. And where this similar ends means starting end of the one winding and the ending point of the another winding are connected together, then it will form delta connection as it's shown here. So we will see its wiring diagram. Here it's the wiring diagram for automatic star delta starter. You can see three contactors here, A, B and C. So A is for star connection. As you can see, the one end of the winding stator winding is short circuited. So it is a star connection, and C is for delta connection, as A1 will get connected here to C2, B1 will be connected to A2 and C1 will get connected to B2. So for C contactor, the winding connection will get shifted to the delta connection, and B is just to connect the motor to the main supply. So now when we push S button, when we push start button, the relay A and T will get energized. A will get energized via O, which is normally closed button, S, then C, which is normally closed connection of contactor C, and then through T, which is normally closed connection of TDR relay, and then to the relay A. And TDR will get energized via O, S, and to the T. So when relay A will get energized, it will closes its A1 and A2 contacts. You can compare this diagram with your schematic diagram also. So when the A will get energized, it will closes its A1 and A2 contacts, and its A3 will get open. So as you can see in schematic diagram, the contactor C was getting supplied through this A3. So it is not energized yet. So when A1 and A2 get closed, so now TDR is getting supplied through this A1, and relay B will get energized via this A2. So now relay A, TDR and B are energized. So when B is energized, it will closes its contacts and the motor will connected to the main supply. But due to the energization of contactor A, the stator windings are connected to the star winding. So motor gets started in the star connection here. So TDR will start counting, and after some time delay, when motor will attain 70% speed, it will open its contact T. So by the opening of connection T, relay A will get de-energized. Due to the de-energization of relay A, A1 and A2 will get open and A3 will get closed. B was already energized, so A3 will get closed. Now the relay C will energize via O, B, which is normally closed connection of which was normally open, but due to the energization of contactor B, it will get closes. It get closed. So through O, B, A3, which is a normally closed connection of relay A, so C will get energized. Due to the energization of contactor C, the stator winding gets connected to the delta winding. So now motor will run in delta connection. So here we have seen, we have started the motor in star connection, but for running, the stator windings are connected in delta connection, and B is the main contactor just to connect the star or delta connections to the main supply. So this is all about your automatic star delta starter. Also you can see here that there is a overload relay also just after the main connections of B. So whenever there will be any overloading on the motor, it will open its contacts. So the motor will get de-energized by the opening of these overload relay contacts. So this is all about automatic